Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to hide those pesky errors in Google Sheets like the infamous NA or div/0 and make your spreadsheets look polished and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make those errors simply disappear, avoiding confusion or distraction for anyone viewing your sheet. Whether you share your sheets at work, in a school project, or just want things neater for yourself, learning this will help your data shine. Let's dive in and see how it's done. So picture this, you're working in Google Sheets and suddenly, where you expected a nice, tidy value, you spot an error. Maybe it says NA or another cryptic code like value pops up. Don't sweat it, it happens to everyone, especially when formulas depend on data that isn't always guaranteed to be there. For example, VLOOKUP and IMPURTRING formulas are notorious for occasionally returning errors if what you're searching for doesn't exist. Now the trick is to keep your formulas working in the background while making those public-facing errors invisible. Here, how you do it. First, click into the cell where you see the error. Let's say it's showing NA. Take a look at the formula in the formula bar at the top. You'll notice it probably just starts with an equals sign, maybe something like equals VLOOKUP. What we're going to do is wrap this entire formula using the IFERROR function. This function acts a little like a friendly bouncer at a party. It checks, hey, does everything in this formula work smoothly? Great, come on in. But if there's a problem, IFERROR says, no worries, just stay quietly out of sight. Here, how you add it, place your cursor right at the very start of your formula, immediately after the equals sign. Type IFERROR and then jump to the very end of the formula after the last parenthesis and add a closing parenthesis. For example, if your formula is equals VLOOKUP, A2B2B10 false, you'll turn it into equals IFERROR VLOOKUP A2B2B10 false. By default, this will hide any errors and show a blank cell instead. What actually happens here is Google Sheets will try to solve your formula as usual. If everything works fine, you'll see your expected result. But if it runs into any kind of error, like the data isn't there or there's a typo, it simply hides the error message and leaves the cell blank. This makes your spreadsheet look clean and keeps people from getting confused by strange error text. Just a quick tip, if you want, you can also make IFERROR show something specific instead of a blank. For example, maybe you'd like to display not found when a search fails. You can do that by adding a second argument like this, equals IFERROR VLOOKUP A2B2B10 false not found. Feel free to customize it to suit the tone of your sheet. Take your time with this part. If you have a lot of formulas, it could take a few minutes to update each one, but it's absolutely worth it. And don't worry if you make a mistake. Google Sheets lets you easily undo changes with Ctrl+Z. So that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to make errors in Google Sheets vanish using the IFERROR function. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or you want to see more tips like this. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the next tutorial. See you in the next video.